Thank God for this mosquito mesh because look at these mosquitoes just sitting here waiting to feed on my baby. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It has been a while since I've done a voiceover, so I have some time now because baby girl is sleeping. So I have some time to do a voiceover for you guys. My desk has been a little catch-all area since I came home from the hospital. Like every time we come through the door or hubby comes through the door with anything, it kind of just get left right here for me to sort them out when I have time. And today is no different. This bag right here is full of gifts. One of them, my friend, it's from my friend. One of them is from my cousin, and I also have some gifts from another friend from high school. So this one, she bought some stuff off of my registry, and then she bought some stuff for herself, and she made a little goodie bag, and she brought things to me with the gift bag. So this is from my cousin. So this is just a little lace that you call it. It comes with the socks, the pants, the onesie, and a little hat, and that is a garment bag. So that aside. So my friend got me these things and she got me the pretty bag I used to put to the side a while ago, and she said, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put them in the pretty bag, you're not gonna look, and then you're gonna pretend to be surprised when you pull them out. So I followed her instructions. I tried not to look at the stuff. But of course, as I said, some of them are from my registry, so I know what they are. But I don't know what the things are. Well, there's one thing that I know that's in there that she bought, which it's so funny, but when I get to that item, I'll talk about it. So yeah, so that's the stuff. I'm putting it in the bag like she instructed and pretending that I got it like this, all packaged and ready for me to just unbox, right? And I have this video as proof that I never just go in there. All right. So now we can actually open the gift and see what is inside. Like I said, I do know some of what's inside and I'm excited to see the other stuff. But first, these are the things that I got from a high school friend. Why am I putting them back in the bag? I have no clue. So, one of these ones is I saw on Instagram on I think my friend from Cradle of Life shared a post on her story and I saw the onesie and I was like, "Oh, I love this." And I sent it to my friend because she does printing. So, I wanted her to do that one onesie and I told her that I would find a red one so she could print on it in white. And then I just never got around to doing it. I was surprised with all of these guys. So not only did I not have to pay her to make that onesie, but I also got a bunch of other ones with cute sayings. So this is the one that I saw and sent her and told her that I wanted, and I was supposed to go and get the onesie for her to print it for me. But she got the onesie and she printed it and she got me all of these rest of these with all the cute sayings. So I love that. Stealer of Hearts. And then this one says his forever. So I'm going to go and show this to daddy because it's a daddy's girl kind of onesie. And then we can get into the bag with the gifts from my friend. Yeah, guys. So postpartum, I can't complain. I mean, yes, I have to wake up every 2 hours at night, but I have support at home. So it's not so bad. I feel like because I'm older, I mean, I don't know. I think I'm recovering well in terms of my C-section. Everything feels fine. So I'm happy about that. So let's get into the star of the show. Not to say the other things weren't nice, but this is the star of the show. Guys, I'm just cleaning off my desk because every day there's stuff on here. I took off a box of diapers off the desk yesterday and then these things popped up. Not yesterday, like 2 days ago. And then I think that same day I left the diapers on the desk and I came home with these. So I took up the diapers and then these ended up just staying. So this is a gift from Auntie. This is not something that came off my registry. So it's a little robe and it comes with the little stuffed animal. So it's a hooded robe and nice and girly with pink flowers and stuff. And it comes with a little bunny. Next up is this. No, my girl, no, me no, because I had this cup in my Amazon cart. And funny enough, when she came to look for me at the hospital after I had baby, she showed it to me, and I was like, you know, I don't know. Like, I thought that I somehow had shared it with her, and I was saying, "Girl, it's still in my cart," because I was waiting until the last minute. And I said to her, "You say I was gonna buy it this morning, and I don't know what distracted me, because I was like, I was waiting until the last minute to make sure so the baby come, for make sure so I'm in my girl mom era." And homegirl had bought it for me. I was like, "Oh my God, look at that." Like, I literally have it in my cart, and then I went and showed her that I had it in my cart. So that next thing was a swaddle, a newborn swaddle, and these are just some washcloths. These were on my registry. So she handled those. Then there's some more washcloths. This was a pack of 10 and white, because it's just, I try for the first 3 months to use mostly neutral stuff for my babies. So white and gray and them sort of from there. This was a gift from her. It's a book of prayers for baby girl. There's a prayer that I can read and say for my baby every day. I love it. And then we have some burp cloths. These are from my registry. I'm kind of a minimal mommy, so these were like the only burp cloths that were on my registry. And these were the only wax cloths that were on my registry as well. Next up, these are a gift from her. These are not on my registry. Some little onesies with a little ruffle. They're super cute. I love them. So there's this one, and there's another one. Girl stuff. Oh my goodness. This is still surreal, like after four boys, to finally be able to look at the pinks. And then these were from my registry as well. As I say, I'm kind of that mom that will just buy all white and gray and beige stuff for the first 3 months, because it's just easier to wash everything in one load. I don't want to have to be sorting, you know? So that was my aim. A lot of the stuff that was on my registry was like beige and white and gray and that sort of stuff. And then there's this little diaper caddy, which was also from the registry. So she bought it, and then she bought some items, and then she stuffed her own items in there and made a little personalized little diaper caddy basket gift for baby girl. And I love them, love them, love them. So that is my major gift for today, and that is the major gist of the video today. um, I recorded these videos trying to get day in my life type of content, but most days it was like this. I would film something when she was sleeping, and then I'd either forget to film throughout the rest of the day, or I just couldn't be bothered with setting up the camera and the tripod and all of that. But these are my goodies, all of my gifts, and see, there's more diapers have and wipes have come up on the desk. Yeah, this is my life right now. And here is the princess herself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.